literally just want to seal the chicken for a couple of minutes on the outside and then add sauce. Chicken is now sealed. I've added 4 tablespoons of the burka to it. We're going to add a bit of water and just let it simmer until the chicken.
How many chicken breasts was that?
That was 4 chicken breasts.
Yeah.
So to 4 chicken breasts, we use about 4 to 5 each tablespoons of the sauce. Because it is so concentrated, you don't need to use a large quantity of it. Obviously, if you want it to be hotter, then you can add more chilies to it. I'm going to put some coconut milk in it just to give it that butter chicken kind of creaminess to it. We're going to add some methi to it as well. You don't have to add anything to it like with the beans, but you can if you want to give it a certain flavour. You can add stuff to it. That's the one good thing about it. You can add anything to it or nothing to it and it still gives you the authentic taste. To that, I'm going to add some coconut milk now. Let it simmer for another 10-15 minutes and it's done. Once the chicken's done, which I think it will be a little longer. Right, I'm just going to add some coconut milk to that and let it simmer.
2 behind there,
And that will give you your butter chicken. You can add double cream, but coconut milk just makes it a little bit lighter in flavour. Then we've got a butter chicken here, 4 breasts of chicken, used 5 heaped tablespoons of the sauce, added some cream, added some methi and let it simmer again for about 20 minutes or until the chicken's cooked. Done. And then we've